Want glowing, flawless skin in just a week? Drinking fresh vegan juices is a simple and natural way to nourish your skin from the inside out. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these juices can hydrate your body, fight blemishes, and give you a radiant complexion. Here are 5 easy vegan juice recipes to help you achieve that healthy glow. Plus, we'll share why each juice works and how to make them at home. Why juices help your skin? Your skin shows what you eat and drink. Fresh fruit and vegetable juices are full of vitamins and antioxidants that help your skin glow. Vitamin C boosts collagen, keeping skin firm. Cucumber and watermelon keep skin hydrated. Drink 1 juice daily, stay hydrated, and eat a balanced vegan diet. Use fresh, organic ingredients for clear, healthy skin. 1. Carrot Orange Glow Juice. This refreshing juice blends 3 carrots, 2 oranges, and a 1-inch piece of ginger for a healthy skin boost. Peel the oranges and ginger, wash the carrots, and juice everything together. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene for vitamin A, which repairs skin and prevents dryness. Oranges add collagen-boosting vitamin C, while ginger fights inflammation to reduce acne and redness. This sweet, tangy drink energizes your morning and promotes smoother, glowing skin. 2. Green Detox Juice. This refreshing green juice combines cucumber, celery, green apple, spinach, and lemon to create a powerful skin-cleansing drink. Begin by washing all ingredients and peeling the lemon. Juice everything together and serve chilled. Cucumber and celery hydrate the body, keeping your skin soft and supple. Spinach provides iron and vitamin K to fight dark circles. Green apple adds sweetness and antioxidants, while lemon boosts cleansing, leaving your skin clear and glowing. 3. Beetroot Beauty Juice. This vibrant red juice is a delicious and healthy way to nourish your skin from within. To make it, peel 1 small beetroot and a 1-inch piece of turmeric. Then wash 2 apples and 1 carrot. Juice them all together and enjoy the earthy sweet flavor. Beets help improve blood flow, giving your skin a natural glow. Apples and carrots add skin-repairing vitamins and sweetness, while turmeric reduces inflammation and fights acne. It's perfect for brightening dull skin and boosting radiance naturally. 4. Watermelon Hydration Juice. This refreshing juice combines simple ingredients with powerful skin benefits. Start by scooping out 2 cups of seedless watermelon, then wash and chop 1 cucumber along with 6 fresh mint leaves. Juice all the ingredients together and serve over ice for a cool, hydrating treat. Watermelon is 92% water, which helps keep your skin plump and moisturized. It also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that protects against sun damage. Cucumber soothes the skin, while mint reduces inflammation. This drink is perfect for summer refreshment and glowing skin. 5. Pineapple Clear Skin Juice. This tropical juice is a refreshing and powerful blend designed to support clear, glowing skin. To make it, you'll need 1 cup of pineapple, 1 pear, a handful of kale, and half a lemon. Start by peeling the pineapple and lemon to remove the tough skin. Wash the pear and kale thoroughly to eliminate any dirt or residue. Once all the ingredients are prepped, juice them together and drink immediately for the best results. The pineapple brings a sweet, tangy flavor and is rich in enzymes that help reduce inflammation and remove dead skin cells. Pears are hydrating and packed with fiber, helping to flush toxins from your body. Kale adds a healthy dose of vitamins A and C, which are essential for skin repair and protection. The lemon adds a zesty brightness and helps lighten dark spots, leaving your complexion clearer and more radiant. In conclusion, these 5 vegan juices are a delicious way to transform your skin in just a week. They're easy to make, budget-friendly, and bursting with skin-loving nutrients. Whether you want to clear acne, hydrate dry skin, or boost your glow, these recipes have you covered. Try them out, sip your way to radiance, and enjoy the compliments on your flawless skin. Liked the video? Share it and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks!
Want to lose weight? Nagano Tonic is a delicious, powerful elixir that makes it fun and easy. Boost your metabolism, burn fat, and enjoy every sip. Click the link in the description to get started.